I meet my husband in this video.
King of Queens in Australia, the king.
Yeah.
King of Queen. You know? Prince of Princess.
Meet my husband.
Yeah, that's my wife.
In this particular video. On this video, yes, he's my husband.
My wife.
And maybe after the video.
Yeah.
Jacky!
Right. You guys should understand. After the video, you know, we just chill out. You know?
We just chill.
Yeah, we just chill out. Yeah.
We're chilling with the big boys.
Boy.
So we are here. It's Jacky Osula's musical video coming up shortly. This song is dope. Anticipate for this one. I'll show you a clip on YouTube.
Definitely.
Go there, YouTube.
Definitely.
People should come and see my first ever musical video in years.
But it takes more time, at least on the 20th, with the drop on the 20th.
20th of this month.
Yeah, we still got like 2 weeks.
That's amazing. And I can't wait to see myself in that video.
Yeah, classic video with the Ebony.No.
The brownie.
The brownie, yeah. Ebony.No brownie. You know how they be. Alright, man.
I'm going to bring my shoe.
What was from here?
Guys, we are here on the musical video. Yes. So what's the concept of I and him like?
Yeah, it's sing it to you.
You're going to be singing it to me?
Yes.
And I just a shakara. Oh my God, are you joking now?
Sing it to you.
Just
flexing your body like
that, I'm just flaunting my beauty.
Yeah, flexing your body like
shit, man. I can't wait for this video.
For real, man. For real, man.
Bro, so okay guys, anticipate for this one. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, okay? I love you so much. I won't allow you to see the video so that when it comes out, you now watch the full video. So we need to go now, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for standing by, for staying till now. So please keep sharing the video. It's all about Jacky Osula's musical video. The music, the song, everything is dope. When I don't say we know the hype nonsense. How do you see this? This is
hype nonsense.
we can't hype nonsense.
Fire can cool, you know what I mean? Fire can kill show with the airborne in the brown in the morning.
The brown in the morning. So you must cover your pocket first so you collect. Can I sound your face? Sorry. Shout it.
Wait, Mad. No, go from main camera.
So do Snapchat video for me and then Jacky.
That's it. Thank you. See,
Let me end the
Yeah, this is love for two.
So guys, anticipate, okay? We love you all.
I see you the walk up around and your love at the cultivate. Yeah, you tell me say you know one, but I the other way. Yeah, and this one I love for two. Yeah, participating. Even though you know what do, but I the other way. Yeah, when you did the name, oh yeah, look when you see me. Say no when you did the name, oh yeah, look when you see me. Give me your last name, mama. I said I to be your papa. Give me your last. Shut it. Now Papa 3 get what she gonna do. Shorty got her eyes on me. We know the tosses too. Get come into my room. Give it to me, I'ma give it to me. Now Papa 3 get what she gonna do. Shorty got her eyes on me. We know the tosses too. Get come into my room. Give it to me, I'ma give it to me. Original don't come to love you up. Jacky Osula say me they are your friend now. Original don't come to love you up. Jacky Osula say me they are your friend now. See you the walk up around and your love at the cultivate. Yeah, you tell me say you know what. the way, oh yeah. And this one I love you too, yeah, participating. Even though you know what do, but I hear the way, oh yeah. Say my boy when you did the name, oh yeah, look when you see me. Say my boy when you did the name, oh yeah, look when you see me. Give me your last name, mama. I said I think to be your papa. Give me your last name, mama. I must slow down your sugar. Now, what about 3 what you gonna do? Shawty got her eyes on me. With all the tosses, 2 girls coming to my room. Give it to me, come on, give it to me. Now, what about 3 what you gonna do? Shawty got her eyes on me. With all the tosses, 2 girls coming to my room.
Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. It's your lady Shine Francis Odige Osemige, aka Yellow Nomose Worldwide, aka the Born Lioness, aka the President of the Comfortable Housewives. Yes, I would like to drop this little message for mothers all over the world. Yes, women, oh yeah, oh yeah, women, oh yeah, oh yeah, women, oh yeah, oh yeah. Comfortable housewives, mothers of all nations. Comfortable housewives, mothers of all nations. Comfortable housewives, mothers of all nations. Yes, as a mother, as one of the mothers of all nations, I've decided to drop this message for my fellow women. Yes, because it is something that is bothering me, and I said, okay, before I rush out of the house for school run, let me just quickly drop this message, because if I do not drop it, it will keep bothering me, and it has been bothering me. But I just said, let me quickly do it now. Time is not on my side right now. If you look out, if you're in Benin City, you will know that it wants to rain heavily. The cloud has changed. It's very cloudy now, right here in Benin City, and already raining in some parts. But I said, as one of the mothers of all nations, let me drop this message that is bothering women of these days. Okay, my candid advice to mothers is, mothers, where is we need to play a role as women, as mothers. We can together build this nation together. We can change the lives of every today woman by ourselves with our hand. We can change the mindset of every today girl child. We can actually change it. At a time, our mothers changed it. And it's about time.